Alright, here we are a minute later. We let it rest for about a minute or so. And now we're going to try and start it. No flame. I'm trying to start up again. If you turn off the switch and turn it back on, you get it. You see, you get a plume of smoke or a plume of fire, but then it stops. Turn it off, and then on. Plume of smoke, and then it stops. So these are the symptoms. When you let it sit for, more than 8 hours, and you come back to it, you turn on the gas, you turn on the water, it starts right up. But then you turn it off, you let it rest, and you try and turn it back on, and it won't turn back on. Let's try it one more time. You see everything's right. There's enough water pressure to lift the switch. Yep, everything is okay. As far as I can see. Try it one more time. It's a plume of smoke, or fire, sorry, and then it goes out immediately.